Hi everybody, my name is Natasha. Welcome to this channel. If you have been here before, you've probably seen this wardrobe in most of my backdrops of my videos, and I've never really shown it to you. I'm not ready yet to actually show you because it's in a mess. Today I'm taking wardrobe inventory. Basically that means I'm figuring out what's in my wardrobe, and I noticed this. I went to a trip where I visited my relatives. Obviously we took photos of that visit, and I was wearing a t-shirt and some shorts in the photo. 8 years later, those relatives came here to visit us in Cyprus, and I happened to be wearing practically the same outfit. I was wearing the same t-shirt, probably with jeans instead of a pair of shorts, and that was just revealing of what was actually going on. I guess I created by myself what they call a mom's uniform, which was grab a pair of jeans, grab a t-shirt, and if it's a bit cold or chilly, I'll just grab a hoodie on top and just wear that over and over again without thinking, because there was no time to actually be creative with my wardrobe. And I was forgetting about what's inside of my wardrobe, what options I have, how I could get creative, make my outfits more fun, or even come up with an outfit. This video is basically made so that I know what's going on in my wardrobe, and this is how I'm going to do it. I'm just going to think of it as 2 sections and use this side of my wardrobe for, more summer clothes, and then the other half just to dedicate that half to winter clothing. My goal is to create ready-made outfits and have them in my wardrobe so that I can just pull them out when I need them. So I do have a few that are done here. It looks like very compact because on each hanger is not only one item, it's the actual outfit. So there's a bottom and a top and maybe a belt, and it's like all put together. I'm just gonna randomly choose one. Maybe I'm gonna close my eyes when I do it. Whoa, almost hit myself there. Let's see, let's do this one. What is this? Okay, so I put this outfit together if I had to go out to a dinner, to a restaurant. In this outfit, there are like 2 options.
This outfit consists of 3 items. It's the long high-waisted pants, it's the black little bustier, and then over the vest that has a pattern on it. For the second option, I've added this long sleeve crochet throw over for in case it's a chillier evening.
And I'm just gonna show you how I go about creating an outfit. I'm just gonna start with these little shorts that are a pattern, and it's got like a little cute scalloped edging on it. That's what I like about them. And I'm just gonna try to see what I would like to pair it with, so I don't have to go through this thought process when I'm up and about and doing my stuff. I would like to wear it with this mesh. I've had this mesh for a long time and never really wore it, so I need to find something to wear underneath this mesh, and I think I could do it in a way to tie it together with these shorts. I have a little top. I have this little crochet top that also I'm not about to wear on its own, just because I feel like it's a bit too revealing for me. I want to try to wear this underneath with the mesh on top and maybe the little shorts. So I'm just going to put that on and see what it looks like together. So here's the little outfit put together, and I put a bikini, a black bikini top, and then I put the crochet bikini top over. So if I were to wear this at the pool or to the beach, I would actually just take off the mesh and wear this directly into the water. I wouldn't take it off, and just use this as if it was the bikini top or extension of it. And you can see both ties behind, and underneath I would wear my bikini bottoms. I'm not doing that right now. That's it. So that's how I would go about putting an outfit together. I would choose pieces that I do like and that I haven't worn, and just get inspired by one of those pieces to choose the other pieces. And I feel like this is my style. This is what I would actually wear to the beach. Have you guys been using the Index application? I have, and it's been super fun. I've been trying while I've been organizing my wardrobe to put all my items into this application so that I can also do outfits, on my phone. And I feel like it's kind of like playing a game, so it's been super fun, and it helps you use all the potential of your wardrobe. This helps you not forget what's in your wardrobe and actually helps you decide what looks nice together. It's such a fun application. I would definitely suggest that you try it out. In case you're wondering, this is not sponsored. I just like the application and having fun with it, so I'm just letting you know about it. This is going to be good for me to actually see which clothes I use more often and which clothes I don't, and that will help me in when I'm trying to declutter my wardrobe. But I'm actually going to use this Index application to find out which clothing I tend to use the most and which clothing I love the most, and then the ones that I don't really use, slowly I can identify and maybe just give those away to get some more free space in my wardrobe. The reason I enjoy organizing my wardrobe this way in outfits is because, first of all, it helps me when I don't have time to create an actual outfit. And the second reason is when I'm going through a mountain of clothes, and because I've seen other videos of people organizing their wardrobes, and they just tend to put everything on the bed and go through the clothes and just say, oh, I would like to keep this, or I don't need this one anymore, so give that one away. I'm still seeing clothing as items that are separate from what I would wear them with. Yes, I would be keeping all the pretty things that I like, but at the end of the day, when I'm in a rush and I'm trying to get out of the house, I'd still be pulling out the easy options, which is my pair of jeans, my t-shirt, my hoodie, and going out. That is why I like organizing my wardrobe this way.
Here are a few more examples of outfits that I've put together and are ready in my wardrobe. These are casual or semi-casual outfits that I can wear on an everyday basis. And I feel like they express my style, which is a little bit creative and artsy and a bit bohemian as well. It took me a while to put this video together just because my kids were sick the last week, and that's why it might be a little bit chippy and choppy, but thank you for bearing with me. I'm really happy that I'm able to upload it now, and I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I have done with my wardrobe. I do know that it's full. I do know that there's a declutter coming in the near future, but that is a problem for a different video. Thanks to everyone who watched this video. Thanks to everyone who has subscribed up to now. If you haven't yet subscribed, I would like to ask you at this point just to press that subscribe button below, because it's really helpful for me as I try to grow my community here on YouTube and my presence. See you soon. Bye.